Oh, good. Now I have the new finger jig set up on my miter guide. And as you can see, I've slid this piece of stock all the way over to the end of the slot. And I'm going to make a test cut down here at this end. But I made this long enough so that I can make a test cut down here and do any adjustments I need to. And I still have plenty of wood to move this over and make a second set. You want to have about 3.5 to 4 inches of wood on this side of the blade when we cut these finger joints to support the piece. So it's got something to flush up against as you start cutting the slots, because the piece of wood is going to generally move that way. So I've got it all the way over to the end of the slot for now. I'm going to come around to the front and just tighten it up. You check it again for flatness against the table. Looks good. I always like to tap everything. I love to tap things, so it's a great little hammer for tapping things. Everything's nice and square. And let's take ahead and make a test cut.